Remember the good old days when Ethereum was less than $1? Do you remember when Binance Coin was less than $1? And when Matic was less than $1? Wait a second, Matic is still less than $1. In this morning's video, I'm going to tell you guys why I am so bullish on the Matic token. And then more importantly, I'm going to show you how to stake and make passive income with the Matic token. Good morning, everybody. Now there's a token that is taking over. Sort of every big project you see, Matic token seems to be making an appearance. Now we all know that Ethereum has birthed decentralized finance into existence, and Ethereum is an extremely good project. Very, very bullish on Ethereum. A lot of people think that Ethereum is going to change the way we work with finances. And I personally sit in that camp myself. Now, clearly, we've seen some limitations with Ethereum. And I think the number one limitation that we've seen with Ethereum is, of course, scaling. We've seen a lot of networks that have come to the front to try and solve the Ethereum scaling solution. But I think the biggest, the hottest, and the most successful, at least until this point, is certainly the Polygon network or the Matic token that has come to the forefront to assist Ethereum with the scaling problem. Now, what does that really mean? So Matic is a side chain, but it's also a layer 2 solution. So it can function independently of Ethereum, but it doesn't compete with Ethereum because it assists with scaling with Ethereum with the layer 2 solution. So you get all the benefits of the Ethereum security, but on a chain with a great reduction in the fees. So we're not going to dive into side chains and layer 2 solutions. We're just going to focus on the basic fundamentals here, that Matic or the Polygon network is here to assist Ethereum with the scaling problem. Now, guys, as I said, there's a lot of projects that have attempted this, but I'm just going to show you some of the reasons that I'm so bullish on Matic. Let's look at the big projects. So if we first look at Aave, one of the blue chip DeFi projects, they've got the Polygon network. Let's go over to Curve, another blue chip DeFi project embracing Polygon. If you go to networks, you can see the Polygon network. SushiSwap is on the Polygon network. Now, these projects are all on Ethereum. They were originally on Ethereum, but they are now also on the Polygon network. 1inch, just another example. 1inch on the Polygon network. So Polygon is the network, and Matic is the token that you use to pay fees on the Polygon network. As you can see, many blue chip projects starting to adopt the Polygon network. And these are just a couple. It is happening all over. There are over 500 dApps that have been built on the Polygon network. Polygon is compatible with Ethereum. So coders don't have to write the code on Ethereum and then write new code for Polygon. They can simply port it over. Polygon has also gone to great lengths to provide many solutions, SDKs, and help and assist developers to bring their work over to the Polygon or the Matic chain. So as you can see, network effect, mass adoption, this token is absolutely going places. Now, the whole point of this video is I'm going to show you how to stake this token. I'm going to show you my 3 favorite ways of staking Polygon, or at least the Matic token, and how you can earn a passive income. I believe passive income is absolutely fantastic. I don't even know if what excites me about passive income is the fact that you earn money, or if it's just the fact that you earn money without having to actively work for it, which opens up a whole new thing and helps you achieve financial freedom. I've often considered on this channel maybe sharing more of my passive income ideas, not only those passive income ideas which originate from crypto, because they say your average dollar millionaire has over 7 passive income streams. Maybe we should talk about that. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like me to branch out a little bit more, talk about passive income in other areas other than crypto. But I digress. Let's get back to the point. So I'm going to show you my 3 favorite ways to stake Matic token and to earn passive income. Remember, on this channel, I've said many times, you can expect cryptocurrencies to earn you a yield. Cryptocurrencies are no longer a static asset. So when buying a coin, when investing in a coin, make sure that you can get some returns, some rewards, so that in the periods where this token moves sideways and doesn't appreciate in price, you are still stacking up your tokens. And when the price explodes, the percentage that you earn there will be magnified. So let's get straight into it. The first one we're going to talk about is, of course, Aave. Now, Aave have tried to attract people onto the Polygon network and really get it going. And what they've done is, if you stake any of these coins, you earn an additional reward in Matic. So let's take a look here. If you stake DAI, you earn 3.44%, and then you would earn an additional reward of 1.37. If you stake Matic, you get your 1.4%, but you get an additional reward of 3.75. So as you can see, as an incentive to use the Polygon network, you are rewarded in Matic, whichever token you use, you get an additional reward. Not only that, but if you borrow, let's say you borrow DAI, you'll pay 4.7% for borrowing it, but you will get, and this is what you receive, 2.5% in Matic. So you actually get paid to borrow. That is how much Aave and Polygon, they've got together, and they are incentivizing people to use this network to gain network effect, which we all know is going to have a long-term benefit for the Matic token and for the Polygon network. Now, Curve, of course, is another one where they have a very similar situation. This isn't, in fact, one of the three that I was going to show you, but if you stake a host of stable coins, you will earn 2 rewards, and you actually earn 3 rewards: Curve and Matic and the base APY. But the second one, of course, is the Polygon website. You can go over to wallet.matic.network. I will leave this link in the description below so that you guys can make sure that you get to the right site. Just out of interest, this is the bridge where you can move tokens from the Ethereum network to the Polygon or Matic network. But that's not what we're going to be focusing on. We're going to be looking at staking. So you click on apps and you go down to staking. Staking is very easy here. You just simply look for a validator. You want to look through and find someone that has hit 100% of the checkpoints. That really just means that they are clicking a button every couple of hours to make sure that they are assisting in the proof of stake network. And you want to also make sure that you are not paying commission that is too high. I think these days it's pretty common where you can find someone that is hitting 100% of the checkpoints and not charging any commission. Also, you can go to the rewards calculator to get an idea of what you would earn. Let's just assume that we put 100 Matic in. You can see that you would be earning 14 Matic per year. In other words, you're getting a return of 14%, which I think is very impressive and certainly nothing to be sneezed at. The positive to staking here is, of course, that you retain full custody of your tokens at all times. The negative is that if you want to exit and unstake, you are looking at a period of between 7 to 10 days to get out of the staking pools. So just make sure that you are committed to stake for at least 7 to 10 days before entering into this staking environment. And last but certainly not least, my favorite place to stake. If you go to Altcoin Trader and you click on Easy Save, you will see that Matic on the Polygon network, staking is going to start on the 18th of August 2021, and we are paying 8.8%. Now guys, the advantage here, of course, is it is super easy to use for any Altcoin Trader client. You simply click a button and your coins are staked. We take out all the complexity of what goes on behind the scenes. There is no fees. There is no lock-in period, so you can enter and exit whenever you want, and you will see your rewards accumulating within a couple of minutes of putting in your capital. So there's no restrictions, easy in, easy out, and we make it dead easy. Hence the name Easy Save. Guys, if you like this video, I'd ask you to smash the like. It does help the video get out to more people. In addition to that, I'm going to be looking at making more content on projects and DeFi. You guys know that DeFi is something that I'm very passionate about. I believe it is going to change our life. It is going to change the way that we work with finances. One more thing before I go. If you guys are looking to register for the conference, it is the annual Bitcoin conference hosted by Bitcoin Events. I will be speaking at 2 o'clock tomorrow. I'll also put a community post on my YouTube channel so that you guys can get more information. I will leave the description in the link below. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure that you stock up on some of these Matic tokens, because I believe that they are going to be a good investment in the future. Of course, guys, I have to say that it's not financial advice, simply sharing my opinion, and you'd be crazy not to listen. That's it for me. I'm out.